Hey everybody, so today we're going to do this blue and brown look with both, I think I used two different Juvia's Place palettes, and I just got primer in my eye, so yeah, trying to just be more mindful there, and yeah, okay, so this is the first palette with this awesome blue, and I'm going to be patting this on basically my entire lid and all the way underneath. Kind of concept that I didn't know how I was going to do it. So I use this orange shade, sort of like a transition between the blue and the darker brown that I want to use. Going in with a smaller brush, and I really wanted to create a shape with the brown and then blend it into the blue. So we're going in there. And just using the orange fluffy brush again I didn't add any more product, I'm just blending. And now I see some gaps between the brown and the blue, so I'm gonna go in with more blue and just smooth that out, blending from the the inner corner to the outside where the brown is, and just touching it up a little bit as I go, making sure that the blending I'm doing is kind of small circles where the color is so that I don't get it really muddy. And now in my waterline, I'm going to use this bright blue eyeliner pencil. And normally I would use micellar water, but it's still downstairs and I never brought it up. So I'm going to use this SPF moisturizer for my skin, and then also clean up the fallout of all the blue. Some blue dust was all over my cheeks, so it's very easy to wipe away and clean up the shape on the edges there. Sometimes I use tape, Scotch tape, but this time around I'm just using the moisturizer to clean up. And now some black face paint for my liner. It's water activated. So I just added some water with a brush and dipped in, trying to create just a tiny little cat eye on the sides. And now for my favorite bit is the mascara. So cool. I was a little bit shocked at how cool this eye look came out. I think I would definitely do it again with a different shade. And using some foundation for most of my face and this concealer for my under eye that I'm just tapping in with my fingers, and then to get that crease right where the blue and my skin line starts, I go in with a little Q-tip to smooth that out. And this is the finished look. I think it looks super cool. I think it looks a lot like my drawing, and it was fun. I've never used so much blue on my eyes in my life. Please subscribe, leave me a comment. I really appreciate you watching my videos. Thanks. Bye.